Please forgive me for being late again.
It's okay. I know you tried your best. Sorry I didn't help you earlier.
No, that's fine. You were busy.
I'm sorry, I forgot your name.
No problem, it happens all the time.
Sorry, I didn't hear what you said.
No worries, I'll repeat it.
I'm sorry, I can't come to your party.
That's all right, maybe next time.
Sorry for shouting earlier.
It's fine, I know you were upset.
I'm sorry for forgetting our meeting.
It's okay, we can reschedule.
Sorry, I took your seat.
No problem, I can sit over there.
My apologies for sending the wrong file.
That's okay. Please send the right one when you can.
I'm sorry, I forgot your birthday.
It's fine. You can make it up to me later.
Sorry for the noise last night.
No worries, I slept just fine.
I didn't mean to hurt your feelings.
It's okay, I understand now.
I'm sorry, I spilled coffee on your shirt.
Oh, no, it's okay. I can clean it.
Please forgive me for being rude yesterday.
It's all right, we all have bad days.
Sorry, I forgot to reply to your message.
That's fine. I know you were busy.
I'm sorry, I broke your pen.
Don't worry, it's just a pen.
I'm so sorry I'm late. The traffic was terrible.
It's okay. I just got here too.
I didn't mean to interrupt you.
Quick play. It's okay, please continue.
I'm sorry, I forgot to bring your book.
That's all right, you can bring it tomorrow.
Sorry for stepping on your foot.
No problem, it happens.